Listening to music. Listening to music is an activity that I enjoy doing every day. Music helps me relax, focus, and feel happy. In the morning, I like to listen to upbeat songs to start my day with energy. Sometimes, I listen to pop music, and other times, I enjoy classical or instrumental music to calm my mind. Music is like a language that everyone can understand, no matter where you're from. It has the power to make me feel excited, peaceful, or even inspired. I enjoy listening to music while I study, do chores, or just relax. It helps me concentrate better, especially when I'm working on homework. When I feel sad, I listen to my favorite songs to cheer up. Music can change my mood instantly. I also like to sing along with the songs I love, even though I'm not a professional singer. Listening to music is a fun way to express myself. Sometimes, I even try to learn new songs on the piano or guitar. It's amazing how music can bring people together. I like to share music with my friends, and we often recommend new songs to each other. Whether I'm listening to music on my headphones or playing it loud at home, it always makes my day better. I believe that music is a powerful tool for happiness and relaxation.